could you do this?
It was all a lie.
It was real.
Things I said, I just needed you to trust me. That's all.
No, I know your story. You were a good person and you still are. You just made a mistake.
I left them! I left my sister, my mother, alone, while I slept in silk sheets in the palace with my belly full every night!
You're a demon, just like me.
JINU, no.
I'm sorry. For everything.
I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back. And now, I give it to you.